single arm kettlebell swing is essentially the same as the two-handed kettlebell swing, but we use one hand. So all the steps are the same. You just want to keep your shoulders as level as possible without shifting around. So we're going to start with the weight out in front. You're going to hike it back, push it forward with your hips, and then pull it back underneath your hips before pushing it forward again. So I like holding my hand out like this. So let me show you guys from the front what my shoulders are looking like. So I'm not going to the side or letting the weight take control of me. I'm staying in the middle, still going forward and backwards.